Close enough. Well, alright, I'm back down here in my garage again, doing things other than planning the wedding. Not a big deal. That'll probably just sort itself out, I would think. As you can see there's quite a mess. Behind us here, you can see a blank wall where that should have been finished when whoever put these shelves in put them in, but obviously took the lazy way out there, right? I'll probably do the same. Anyway, went down to the Home Depot, and down there they were telling me a couple of things I needed. Figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride here. It's gonna be plane flying overhead. It's gonna be pretty out of control, I would think. Most of the stuff, if you're clicking on these videos still, I mean, it's really nothing you can do. I mean, it's your own fault, so. But yeah, keep clicking on them. So what we got here now, big old R22 16 inches, right? Whatever that means. Some sort of insulation there. What do we got over here? Oh, vapor barrier. All right, that term will be coming in handy, I would suppose, at some point. Maybe not this video. Who knows, though, right? Oh, yeah, and we got another one here. Whoa, drywall right there. So we're going to be trying to do more contracting stuff around the house. And then when we're done, hopefully the spiders will stop getting in. I'm pretty sure they're getting in over there, as you can see in the corner. Yeah, I think they're going in between the walls there, and then obviously it's not sealed on the inside, so flip the screen around. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. They're obviously unwelcome guests. Gonna take down the rest of the shelf here. Put in the R22, right? Alright, so a couple of things I've encountered here that are not great. Whoever installed this shelf here, as you can see, is some sort of either genius or masseuse magician. Either that or like some sort of wizard or something, because it all goes together like a Connect 4. Oh. Maybe not like a Connect 4. So trying to figure out how it comes apart is pretty difficult, especially seeing as on these guys here. I don't know if you can see that, sweating. Whew. They've covered them up pretty good here. Use your Roberts in there. See that? Use your Roberts in there as a drill. Oh, you see that? They've covered them up with some sort of plaster of Paris or something like that. That's not really great for me because it's hidden all the screws there. Just leave them to the atmosphere, right? Let them rust. Look what I found. All right, so if you're looking there, that's not good. Whatever that is, cold air coming in through there. I don't think there's any pests or nothing. Who knows what's been coming in and out of there? Probably spiders. I found this piece of wood just lying around, so that's probably gonna be good enough. This one's gonna be a lot better, I think. Oh yeah, definitely a lot better if it doesn't break through. Let's give her a shot here. And for the piece to resistance, oh, he's got the butt right in the way. Way to go, bud. It's gonna be loud for you, I'm sorry. Okay, hopefully that didn't go too far through the other side. I'm gonna try to say less ahs, because it makes it difficult to, oh boy. Makes it difficult to, okay. How can we even stop it? Once you get it going, you can't stop it. You gotta have a second to think. What are you supposed to say, right? Nobody knows what you're supposed to say. That's why we say, neighbors. They're not going to be happy to have me screaming in the garage again. Come over last week just to say hi, I'm pretty sure, but it turned into a full-on fist fight because they were... I'm just kidding, I've never even seen my neighbors. They're like ghosts over there. Anyway, I'm going to try to say less ahs because it makes it difficult to edit out all of those ahs. Pretty difficult to not say those ahs. Anyway, we got her in there. And that should be good enough for, well, that's good enough. How about that? Gonna start insulating here pretty quick. All right, so I got another light going here. That's gonna be probably put up on the, oh, you can't see. It's gonna be put on the, up there somewhere eventually, but right now it's just gonna serve to light me and set the mood for the rest of the video, right? Obviously that's important for some reason. Anyway, I swear I am trying not to do the ahs, but I mean, what can you do, right? Anyway, as you might have been able to guess here, things are going pretty horribly. I'm finding a lot of stuff that's just not great. The next thing in that vein being, this wood here is not going to be that good to drill into when I put the drywall on. Just looking at her, it's not looking great. So what I'm going to do is in these really bad spots there and probably there, I'm going to put on a couple of 2x4s. I'll screw them in sideways. Hopefully they'll be able to. Let's get her going. So I've decided to go with a screw. It'll stick about that far off, right? I don't know. Maybe I should go with the deep deckers, the 3.5ers. Woo! Hard to say what the right choice is at this point, right? I'm off in the distance, but I'm still here. I'm gonna go with these big boys here that I'll steal them off this other thing, right? Going with these longer boys here. Where's gonna be the problem spots? Probably there, but it's got to come out too. Just about flush. Okay, she's gonna fall right off. Be nice to have some sort of straight edge, actually. Make sure she's not dickered. Found a piece of wood. Close enough. Okay, now just hammer her in. I mean, this is essentially banking a whole hell of a lot on the thinking that this piece of wood is straight. I mean, it probably is, right? I mean, that's close enough. Okay, so now we'll be able to... Looks like there was insulation here at one point. What the hell did they do? Like I said, gotta get her pretty well flush there, because or else that kind of defeats the purpose, I would say. Would I, though? Would I say that? Probably not. Probably say something dumb. Oh, he made her not straight again. Boys! Whatever, just hammer her in there, right? Maybe if he got a piece of wood that's actually the right length, right? That would be good. Because then if we're actually trying to figure out the exact distance, we'd be able to find her. We'd be able to find her. It's not quite. Back at her. Man, I wish I would have just done that to begin with. Because that way you know. Oh, this one's actually pretty good. It's actually not bad. Look at this. It's my bane. Ah, sliver. Well, let's check the other one while we're at her. Now that one is not as good. Oh, stripped her. Okay, we're back in business now. Oh, I wedged her. Got her. Well, since my stud finder's actually at work right now, and she's not going to be back for a little while, I'm going to show you a little trick that I'm going to be doing right about now. So I'm just going to mark on this wall, because I'll be painting her anyway, right? Mark there, and down here where you put the rigs, so you know where you... Oh, that's not even close. What happened? There we go. Don't believe that one. Just so you know where they are, and you know where you could bolt over or slap over or... whatever it is, right? Who cares? Okay, so now we're on to the time, okay, what was that noise? Hauntings. Anyway, now we're on to the whole reason why we got in here is to insulate the wall and put the drywall up, so... I threw it on the floor. Anyway, got some gloves. The rock wool here. Supposed to not be itchy, but I've been led astray before by the Home Depot there, and those guys they mean the best that they can do wherever, whenever, I don't know. Anyway, they mean well, but I just want to make sure that I'm not going to be having a repeat of the fiberglass, right? Handy dandy craft knife. Gonna bust this open. Who knows how to get her open? I don't. Women great till they gotta be great. Listening to Lizzo. She's a fantastic artist. She's just blowing up lately. Okay, so I got the thick stuff because I got the thick studs, right? Okay, let's pull this out of here and see what she's going to be doing. Didn't cut her off, boys, so it's going to be, boys and girls, it's going to probably be torn up into many pieces. Oh, there she goes. How many times am I going to look for a hook and there's not going to be a hook? Why men great till they gotta be great? Got her stuck in my head now. There's a couple of nails up there that are just... Oh, it's made of asbestos. There's a couple of nails up there that are kind of hanging me up, so I think I'm just gonna grab the old swing press there and slap them down, right? Just just give them a good one. Hatchet works. We might have to not be wanting to do that. We might want to be doing the clipper. And by clippers, I mean the side cutters, right? Those are obviously what I was talking about. I want to get some high leverage ones. They just take off really anything. Alright, so I've clipped off some of those guys there. Gave them the old snipper, right? I don't know what I'm going to put in there, but it should be something, I think. Maybe just spares, right? Just jam all the extras in there. Alright, so this is going to go up. I think we got all of them, so let's jam that in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah! Now we're talking. Hope this shit's not directional. Gonna be a lot of F-bombs in the near future here. Can't really be blamed for that one. You gotta blow off little bits of steam as you go. Otherwise you have problems. Oh, that's why it's so dark. This motion sensing light is just terrible. It just can't be turned on. Like the old... Never mind. Oh, the light switch is off. Probably. Maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, no, there she goes. Oh, what? I bet you I could jam this in here now. Moderate success, I'd call that. Okay, let's continue. And if you're wondering what kind of insulation I've got here, it's R22 16 inches. That's because the studs are 16 inches. Not sure if it's important or not. Not sure if it matters, but they are that. So, okay, he's getting off track. Let's cut. Oh no, let's jam. Is it cutting or is it jamming first? Nobody knows. Just BBs everywhere in here. Back in the day, used to be doing a lot of drinking, a lot of dumb stuff in here. A lot of unsavory kind of activities. We decided we were going to be shooting some BBs all around in here. Well, wow, way to go. And the whole house just gets covered in them and they're sticking out of everything. This piece of wood is cracked too. I don't know if any of this really matters, right? But probably not. I mean, they just left it open. I'm putting up fire retardant, fire resistant drywall. Yeah, so better to be safe than sorry, right? You don't want to be burned to death because you don't store your flammables in a metal container or whatever. I'm angry if they gotta be. I'm really into that Lizzo song now. Just heard it once and she's got me. Super talented. Now we're coming along. It's starting to look like I know what I'm doing, right? Gotta check the clock here because I gotta go pick up my stud finder later. That's Brie because she found me, right? Just a prize. I love how they just jammed the drywall all in here. It didn't quite fit, and they're like, just give her. So yeah, the guy at Home Depot said, you want to get the rock wool because the fiberglass is just really painful. You got to wear like a full-blown suit or something. I might be needing to be wearing a respirator here. Read the instructions, bud. Says wear a respirator. Well, better do that. Like, favorite, subscribe. A couple of screws, a couple of 2x8s.